Hi, I'm Chris Rosick, co-founder and CEO of Datazen, and today we're at Data Day, Datazen's annual team adventure located at Brisbane's Powerhouse. And today we're focused on one of Datazen's core values, grow together, and we'll see that come to life through customer experience workshops and the Grow Together labs. I can't wait to get started.
Hi, my name is Stepha Fooney and I'm the Ad Tech Account Manager here at Datazen. I'm here at my very first Data Day and it's very exciting. My favourite part so far about today has been the customer experience workshop that we just finished doing with our head of people and culture. Really fascinating just to kind of get in the mindset of our clients and figure out what's important to them and what's important to us in terms of creating that great experience.
Hey, I'm Tom Sarby, Head of Cloud and MarTech at Datazen, and today I'm really excited to be presenting at our inaugural Grow Together Labs. Today is super exciting because it gives our Datazen team members a really amazing opportunity to help grow Datazen from the inside out.
Hi, I'm Brent, COO of Datazen. Well, we've just seen Tom wrap up his presentation of Grow Together Labs, our latest innovation in the Datazen business, really enabling and empowering our Datazen team members on bringing new ideas and innovations to market. It's been a fantastic day. Really excited to see how we're going to take our latest CX offering to market and how we'll operationalize some of these new concepts and ideas and how we take that extra value to our clients and see it really brought to fruition. Looking forward to the next financial year and looking forward to see how Datazen continues to kick goals.